All right, so this set of data is set up in a slightly different way, right? You're not going to want to create a list of all of this, because if you create a list, you're going to have to type in 3 5 times, 4 4 times, 5 2 times, and so on. Okay, so when you're setting this up, first, the easiest thing to answer just by looking at this is going to be the what? Mode. So which numbers appear the most frequently? 10 and 3, right? So there's my modes. This is bimodal. Okay? And then the next one that would be easiest to solve would be the median, because I can do that without having to type anything in. Cool.
I was just confused because I thought you had two of the same occurring one. I thought you had to average the two.
So for median. Are you talking for mode? For mode, it's just the numbers that appear the most often. No. Right, so the next, when you're finding median, what you can do, because this is already ranked from lowest to highest, just start counting from the outside in. Okay, so I take the 3 lowest, cancel with the 3 highest. Then I go the next 4 lowest, cancel with these 3 plus one of these. And so now this one cancels with one of these, and it leaves one right here. So you know that your median is going to be that value. Does that make sense what I did there? Just to physically cancel things out. So I don't have to type in each individual entry. Okay, and then my final step here is to calculate the mean. And on this one, because of the way it's set up in this table, I'm going to manually calculate the average. And the average is sum of all the terms divided by the number of entries. Okay, and so when I look at this, my total n value, my number of entries here is 5, and 5 is 10, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I have a total of 21 entries. So my mean is going to be something divided by 21. And the way I'm going to calculate that, oops, I'll write that over here, is my total sum is just going to be 5 scores of 3 gives me a total of 15. 4 scores of 4, 16. 2 of 5 is 10. 2 of 12, or 2 of 6 is 12. 3 of 7 is 21. 0 zeros here, and then 5 of 10 is 50. And so if I combine all of those together, so here I'm going to take 15 plus 16 plus 10 plus 12 plus 21 and plus 50. Enter that, divide by the number of entries, 21, and I get my solution here. 5.90 is my average score.